Cooling fan running after your Breville oven is done? Fix it fast. This is normal. The fan runs after cooking to cool the electronics and extend the life of the oven. But here's how to know when it's working as intended and when it points to a problem. Step 1. Know the normal cycle. After most high heat functions like bake, roast, air fry, and broil, the cooling fan stays on for several minutes. It automatically shuts off once the internal temperature drops. Step 2. Listen for the right sound. A smooth, steady fan noise is normal. Loud rattling, scraping, or vibration means debris or a failing motor, not just cooling. Step 3. Keep the oven clear for airflow. Leave about 4 inches of clearance on the sides, 2 inches at the rear, and 6 inches above. Blocked vents keep the fan running longer and louder. Step 4. Clean the vent area. With the oven unplugged and cool, wipe dust and grease from the exterior vent slots using a lint-free microfiber cloth. Apply cleaner to the cloth, never into the vents. Step 5. When it's a fault. If the fan runs endlessly hours later, never comes on after high heat cooking, or makes grinding noises, that's an internal issue. Contact Breville support using the link in the description. If this helped you understand your oven's cool down, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need a lint-free microfiber cloth set, I've linked the one I use below, perfect for wiping vent slots safely. Thanks for watching, and cool it the right way.